Hello, please come home fast.
What happened at home?
I saw a snake in garden.
What? Are you sure it is snake?
Yes, I saw it clearly.
Where is it right now?
It is near the flower plants.
Please stay away from that area.
I am standing near the door.
Good. Do not go closer.
It is moving very slowly now.
Can you tell what color it is?
It looks brown and black.
Yes. Ask someone to help.
Our neighbor is coming now.
Tell them not to touch it.
Wait, animal rescue just arrived.
That was very fast.
They are catching the snake now.
Is everything under control?
Yes, they put it in box and take him away.
Thank goodness, that is good news.
They will release it far away.